When you help families find the right fridge every day, you learn what actually counts. Big family, big parties, bulk shopper, that calls for an LG 4-door situation. First up, capacity. These French door models pack a massive 28.6 cubic foot standard depth max interior. If you're anything like me and would rather host a whole crew than leave the house, that extra space is a lifesaver. The full convert drawer, one of my team's go-to talking points. With 5 temperature settings, you can flip it from fridge to freezer, depending on what the day throws at you. Wine night, deli trays, extra drinks, quick snacks for little hands, or frozen treats. Finally, an ice and water dispenser that's actually tall enough for reusable bottles and pitchers. Soft closing, slam-resistant doors that keep things calm while maintaining consistent temps with door cooling plus. Print-proof stainless steel. It resists fingerprints and smudges, which is basically magic if you've got kids, roommates, or just life. And of course, the LG ThinQ app, so you can control your fridge from your phone, check energy usage, or use voice assistant for quick updates. Now, let's get into the differences. This model is a fantastic starting point for families who want space, flexibility, and plenty of ice on hand. You'll get dual ice makers, one in the door and one in the freezer, giving you extra cubed or crushed ice and extra storage so you're always ready for hot days or big gatherings. And you can choose between traditional handles or pocket handles, depending on your kitchen style. Step up to this model and add even more convenience and style with the addition of door indoor, which gives you quick access to drinks and snacks without fully opening the fridge. Try this out. 2 quick knocks and it lets you see inside with InstaView. I love the added flair with my color. You can change the interior lighting right from the ThinQ app, match your kitchen, your mood, even your party theme. At the top of this lineup, this one goes all in. You get everything from the earlier models, plus 4 types of ice, including the super cool mini craft ice. These smaller round ice spheres drop right in from the door and are perfect for cocktails, iced coffee, or tumblers on the go. The mirror InstaView panel gives your kitchen a sleek, reflective look, and the LED back wall lighting brightens the whole interior so nothing disappears into the abyss. Whether you want maximum storage, flexible organization, or a premium design, LG's 4-door lineup has a model that fits your home. Explore them on bestbuy.com, in the app, or stop into a store for expert help finding the right one for your family.